Not so long ago, waste like this was simply dumped into holes in the ground as landfill. And although steel cans and paper may rot away quite quickly, a plastic water bottle like this can take 500 years to decompose, making landfill a long-term environmental nightmare.
Today, we're a lot smarter about recycling our household waste. And here at the state-of-the-art materials recovery facility in Canning Vale, around 40,000 tonnes of waste a year is saved from landfill and put to good use.
How efficient the recycling process is starts with you. Thanks to the technology you'll see later, plenty of things can be recycled. But you can help by sorting your recyclables properly. The first rule is don't bag your recyclable waste. Just put items loose in the bin.
Rinse bottles, cans and containers and take the lids off jars and bottles. This helps with the sorting of different materials later on.
You can recycle glass even if it's broken. Plastics, including plastic bags, metal, paper and cardboard. So in it goes. Just in time for collection.
The contents of 22,000 yellow-topped bins arrive here every day. That's around 150 tonnes of recyclable waste, which has to be sorted into categories.
And all you need to do that is a $20 million machine like this one. The process starts with the waste being loaded onto a conveyor where it's hand sorted to remove anything hazardous or tied in a plastic bag. Wrong. Then a series of giant spinning rollers separates cardboard and newspaper from the waste stream. Heavier items fall through the gaps to be sorted separately. Any plastic that's got mixed up with the newspaper is removed by hand. And then the reclaimed paper is pressed and baled into large blocks ready to be sent offshore for reprocessing. Because glass breaks easily, it can be separated using this rotating sieve or trommel. The small pieces of glass fall through the holes and are piled up for collection. This pile of glass, once it's been ground into finer particles, will end up as road base.
Before the rest of the waste can be recycled, sorters make sure all paper, card and glass has been removed. Then it's the job of some pretty high-tech machinery to sort out the rest.
Steel, like this can, is easily separated because it's magnetic, but plastic's harder to deal with. This optical eye uses a laser beam to identify the three main types of plastic. PET, used in soft drink bottles, high-density polyethylene used in milk bottles, and mixed plastic containers. It sorts them by firing a jet of compressed air, which sends the item into the right collection bin. Most drink cans are aluminium, which can't be picked up by a magnet. This machine uses an electric eddy current to turn the aluminium into a temporary magnet and quickly separates the aluminium from the plastic. Now everything's been correctly sorted, what happens to it? Well, aluminium can be reused to make new cans, car parts, or electronics. Hi, Mum. Yeah, I'm busy at the moment. Plastics can be turned into a wide range of things, including clothing, thread, bottles, or furniture. And paper and cardboard comes back as office paper, new cardboard boxes, hand towels, or newspaper.
This amazing machinery processes 40,000 tonnes of waste a year and recovers around 85% of materials for recycling. By
the year 2020, the Waste Authority of WA is hoping much less waste will go to landfill. And that's achievable if we all do our bit to help.